Kasi si VP Sara naman talaga ang the woman to be in 2020. Halos sabay yung yung confidential funds na kasi ginawa nilang reason yun na ground as betrayal of public trust. Yung confidential funds. Pero sa totoo lang, lahat kayo dyan na may confidential funds, iba nga billion dyan Pinabuksan ba ng House of Reps ang inyong mga envelope? Hindi, di ba? So what does that say of the House of Representatives in that committee? That they were targeting Vice President Sara. Is that correct? Na-i-impeach nila? Kaya, alam mo, kahit matuloy pa impeachment, matatalo kayo dyan, olats. Olats kayo dyan. Kasi yung testimony ng auditor na yun, hindi na niya mapapalitan yun. It's on record.